These outdoor cable protectors provide insulation for power cords. Perfect Life Ideas has announced the launch of new electrical cord protectors. The product acts as a cover for electrical wires, protecting your extension cords against adverse weather conditions or external interference. You'll benefit by using the product as a childproof protective safety measure for Christmas tree light cords and other home electrics. If you're a professional contractor, builder, handyman or homeowner, these watertight plastic safety covers are for you. Buy them online now. Click the link in the description to find out more.